Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a ponytail, a simple braid out ponytail. So keep on watching. Do a braid out, and I just put my hair into a ponytail. So this is the hairstyle I usually do, like whenever I do my hair, because I'm just getting used to familiarizing myself with my natural hairstyles. so yeah, so basically before I go to sleep, I do my hair in plaits. So I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so yeah, I just put it in 6, and then yeah, I basically moisturize it, and then I put castor oil, but I'll do a whole video on that. So basically, when I'm doing it, this is how I start. So step number 1, you could take some castor oil. This one is EYL castor oil, and you just gotta put some on the tips of your fingers, and then yeah, you basically just start pulling it out. Do the plait and kind of just let it unravel by itself, and then now you have the 3 plaits, so you could just unravel them. So yeah, it's best to be gentle, because if you're too rough, then it's gonna be way too puffy. So I'm gonna take some more again, and I'm just gonna do this whole method all throughout my hair. So I finished doing the right side. Now I'm just gonna be taking out the left side. So again, you just separate it, and you see how everything's still pretty much defined. It's not really drying up or anything. So now all of my hair is out of the braids, and this is how it should look. And so then basically I just take an elastic a hair tie. I always use these big chunky hair ties. If I don't use this, then I'll show you in another video what else I use. But today I'm going to be using a large hair tie. Just put it around my neck, and then just put my hair all the way up in one. So I put it in the most loose ponytail possible. I don't do tight ponytails because that's how you break your edges. So I just do it as big as possible, and then I take a pick and I start picking at it. So I just pick at the roots. I don't pick at the ends, just at the roots. And boom, that's how you do a braid out ponytail.